The countdown to the World Cup is on. Let's go wish Team Croatia good luck. Come on. We're big fans of the Croatian national football team. We're so excited for their arrival in the United States along with the Croatian fans. We think this is going to be the greatest World Cup that's ever existed. So I can't wait for the team to go to Dallas. That's where I went to university. So I have a strong connection there, and I know they're going to do a fantastic job hosting you, and can't wait to see all the wins that you rack up. 47 is the 47th President of the United States, President Trump, who's appointed me as the United States Ambassador to Croatia. I can't think of a greater honor in a better country, and so just thrilled to be here with you all today, thrilled to welcome the Croatian football team and all of the visitors from Croatia. And the connection between our two countries is stronger than ever. I believe this is the golden age of our relationship, and it just keeps getting better. Dallas is a tremendous place to be able to host a sporting event. I know they're going to do a fantastic job welcoming you all, and can't wait to watch you win that game.